spray unit like that. It doesn't retract into the ground. There's a spring inside there and it doesn't always work. And now night time when the madam comes and cut the lawn, hey, they're all gone. Monday morning you got water sprayed into the air, and then you discover 20 of them has been been cut off with a lawnmower. Same radius, no problem with blockages from sand. The plastic sprayer is roughly 100 rand a sprayer, plus the nozzle at 120, plus the pipes, a spray unit like that. So this was originally a pop-up hunter sprayer, but they keep breaking and then get cut off with the lawnmower. So I'm going to switch all of it now to just normal skilpotjie pop-ups, and they're all going to look like this.
Toe ons nou so myn toe ry.
Putting concrete, filling it up with concrete, and that's the skilpotjie in the middle. 100 mil drain pipe that we've cut over it, and we cast the cement around it with the green oxide in the cement, so it's colored already into green. It's not quite green, but let's try and see. And as it's dry, we're going to take out that pipe, and then the little skilpotjie will be in the middle of the concrete. So here the little skilpotjie has been installed. We took green coloring pigment, put it into the cement, and then just casted it all around it like that. Now you can drive with a lawnmower over it. Nothing will break, nothing will block, no mechanical movement. Let's test it and see how it goes.